Adulting. It's not easy. Take it from me, the relentlessness necessity doesn't stop whether you're 23 or 63. Going through puberty with fire and chaos inside is challenging enough for you and those you touch, yet you're told to take it in your stride. You feel you can't hide, crowded and alone, but you'll cope, won't you? Take shelter under the blue light of your phone, eyes down, head up. Adults have been there, done that, or so we say. Having morphed away from adolescence, we forget how it could feel this way, and so day after day, the system buries you, places you in a realm of order when you feel entropy. But your friends can come too. Out of the window your dreams flew, and we forgot to teach you to hang on. Were you compelled to get left behind? Do you fear that badly you'll get it wrong? Is it so important to belong that you gaze, eyes down, and fight the tendency to get your head up? Adultly expectations placed on you. Is it such a surprise then that you've grown up so fast? Your youth is the ink in the pen that just run out when you needed it most. It's okay, borrow a pen, ink full of energy and vibrancy, only to find that they too have become ghosts. Those pens don't even work anymore. Words become scribbles, you feel them fade away, but you'll trade them for freedom, to hang on for another day so you can get your eyes down. Got to keep your head up. Your teachers appear unadulterated, holding all the keys, or so it seems, as only one unlocks the system. One door. Behind it are reams, and reams, and reams, and reams. It invades their sleep. Reams for dinner, reams in the windshield, reams over their child's bed sheets, reams producing hollow yield after hollow yield. But they are your shield. Truly they fight with their hearts so you can make it eyes down, with heads up. Believe in yourself. This time will not define you. Don't let it define you. You will get through. And don't fear failure too. Failure is more nurturing than you think. Failure protects you from fear, puts bravery into your ink, so don't shrink. Rise up, be yourself. Your whole life's ahead. You are young. You are incredible. Don't be consumed by dread. You have the power to change your world. Your eyes may be down, but keep your head up. Those single desks look like desert islands. The hall is your cage, laid out like a chessboard, but it is only a stage. It will not stop you coming of age. Those brown envelopes only contain broken dreams in your mind. Opening them will not shatter you. So believe in yourself, and to yourself be kind. By all means give it your best, but you need not destroy yourself. Don't let the system destroy you. Your dreams are still there on a reachable shelf. Eyes down, but heads up. Keep your head up.